Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off your active status in Instagram in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you just need to come over profile, and then you just need to go for settings over here, and then here you just need to go for settings and privacy. Click on that. And after that, here you just need to scroll down a little bit and you will find in the left side called message and story replies over here. So click on that. And after that, you can see in the right side, there is how people can reach you or who can see you are online. Or you can see over here, show activity status. So if you click on that, you can see my active status is turned on. So if you want to turn it off, just click on that. And now your activity status will be turned off. So this is how you can turn off your activity status in Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.